When I tell you guys I am tired of looking crazy, like,
my For You page on TikTok.
I know that's right. Dang, TikTok better be messing with your girl.
Yes.
I know that's right. That makes me so excited because that means the algorithm is algorithming. I know that's right. That For You page.
Yes,
What video was it that you saw?
I think it was the. I don't know if it. I think it was the blonde.
Oh, I know what you're talking
with
about.
The highlights.
Oh, that's recent. I just posted that actually.
I was like, oh.
And you know, fun fact, she does hair. So she came from out of town. She lives out of town, and she's a hairstylist as well. And she also found me online, and she was just like, yeah, you know, I want to get my hair done. It's all you. And she got a cut. So her hair was actually way longer than that. And I ended up cutting her hair because that's what she wanted. Like, you know, especially some kind of like a good little chop. Let me know if the temperature of the water is okay. I know it's probably kind of cool. But yeah, this is exciting. I'm happy to hear that. That made me feel better because I'm like, TikTok, sometimes they don't do right on TikTok, but clearly.
Yeah, sometimes it's hit or miss.
Yes. When I tell you guys I am tired of looking crazy, like, tired. But anyways, I am about to do my silk press. As y'all can see, look at my hair in this little puff ball. I'm so tired. But yes, I'm about to do my hair, silk press, load in. Yeah.